Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. I hope all of you are fine and having good health. Today, we are going to discuss the conversion of the concentration of the solution from molarity to gram per dm cube. In the previous lesson, we have already learned that how we can find the molarity, but in this section, we will convert the molarity of the solution into gram per dm cube. So for this, we need to know the formulas that we will use for all these conversions. We will use here the formula of molarity, but by rearranging this. For example, we have the molarity is equal to moles of the solute divided by volume of solution. So to find the gram per dm cube of the solution, we need to know the number of moles. So by rearranging this, molarity multiplied by volume of solution, it is equal to the moles. So from this formula we will find the moles, and now by using the moles we will find the grams. As in the formula of moles we have mass of substance in grams divided by molar mass. So here we have to find the mass in grams. So we will rearrange this formula and we will multiply the moles with molar mass. So we can be able to find the mass of substances in grams. So we will use these formulas by rearranging them. And the next we will discuss the first example, which is how much sodium hydroxide is required to prepare its 500 centimeter cube of zero point 0.4 molar. How much sodium hydroxide is required? It's mean we have to find its mass in grams, that how much or how many grams of sodium hydroxide we require, and we need to prepare zero point 0.4 molar. So we will convert that molarity into the grams. So we will write the given data over there. The given data here we have, it is the volume of solution, which is 500 centimeter cube, and we have the molarity of solution, which is zero point 0.4 molar. And we need to know about the number of moles and mass in grams. So we will use the two formulas for this. First of all, we will find the moles. As moles from the molarity, we have the formula molarity multiplied by volume of solution. So we find or convert the volume over there by dividing it with 1000. We will get 0 0.5 dm cube. So the molarity we have, it is 0 0.4, and the volume of solution we have 0 0.5. So we will have the moles 0 0.4 multiplied by 0 0.5, we will get 0 0.2 moles. Now we have the moles, so we have to find the molar mass. Why we need to find the molar mass? Because to find the mass in gram, which is equal to moles multiplied by molar mass. So we will find the molar mass first. Sodium hydroxide, so its molar mass, which is equal to NaOH. Mass of atomic mass of sodium we have 23, for oxygen we have 16, and for hydrogen we have 1, and their sum up will be equal to 40 gram per mole. So the moles we have, it is 0 0.2, and the molar mass we have 40. And the answer for this we will have 8 grams per mole. It's mean if we want to prepare 0.4 molar solution for this, then we need to have 8 grams of sodium hydroxide. And after that, we have the next example for this, which is find out the amount of glucose. Now we have the substance glucose, which is required to prepare 0.5 molar solution in 500 ml of water. So first of all, we will write the given data. So here the given data we have, it is the molarity of the solution. Here the molarity we have, it is 0.5 molar, and the volume of solution, which is 500 ml. 500 ml mean 500 centimeter cube. So by dividing it with 1000, we will convert it into the dm cube 0.5 or liters. We can write it as dm cube, or we can also write it as the liter. So it's up to us. Next we have to find the moles, and we need to find the mass of substances in grams, and we have to find the molar mass. First of all, we will find the moles from the molarity, and the formula for this we have moles is equal to molarity multiplied by volume of the solution. So here the molarity we have 0.5, and here the volume of solution we have 0.5. So the answer we have 0.25 moles. Now we have the moles. So to find the mass of substance in grams, we need to know the molar mass of glucose. So the molar mass of glucose, we need to know the formula. It's C6H12O6. And the mass of carbon, we have 12 multiplied by 6 plus oxygen 1 multiplied by 12, and plus hydrogen 1 multiplied by 12, and oxygen 16 multiplied by 6, and their sum up we have 180 gram per mole. So this is the molar mass. Now we have the molar mass as well as we have the number of moles, so we can easily find the mass of substance in grams, and the mass in grams is equal to moles multiplied by molar mass. So mass of substance in grams equal to moles 0.25 multiplied by molar mass, which is 180. So the answer for this, by multiplying 0.25 with 180, we have 45 grams. So 45 grams of glucose we need to prepare 0.5 molar solution in 500 ml of water. So this is all about today's lecture, and I hope you guys understand, and if you have any queries you may ask me about that in the comment section. And the next topic we will discuss, it is how to prepare, or the preparation of the molar solutions. For that time, have a good day and Allah Hafiz.